Gen Z using AI to date? Surprise! Nearly half of Gen Z singles already rely on AI tools to boost matches, craft perfect messages, or even pick dates. Let's break down what's happening and why it matters in 2025. A Match.com Kinsey Institute study shows almost 50% of Gen Z singles are using AI in their dating lives, with 33% even treating AI like a romantic companion. From Paired, 15% of Gen Z have used AI for date planning, 12% for relationship advice, nearly double compared to millennials. So yeah, this isn't a niche trend, it's mainstream. What do they use it for? Crafting witty openers, flirty replies, or apology messages. Building a scroll-stopping profile that algorithms love. Even generating first date ideas like vegan cooking workshops or museum crawls based on shared hobbies. A therapist from Paired cautions, AI tends to confirm your emotional biases, prompt it neutrally to get unbiased advice. Plus, 41% of Gen Z have used AI to handle conflict, write breakup texts, or diffuse tension, women slightly more than men. That's emotional labor outsourcing. But it's not all roses. A study published just last week coined the term technological folie à deux, emerging cases where vulnerable users develop delusional attachments to chatbots. Moreover, research shows AI companions can reduce loneliness as much as human contact, but may lead users into emotional dependency, social isolation, and blurred lines between fantasy and reality. Hinge's CEO calls treating AI as a romantic friend, like junk food, comforting short-term, damaging long-term. Why Gen Z? Because 70% of Gen Z use generative AI regularly, the same generation that grew up with smartphone intimacy. According to Common Sense Media, 72% of teens have tried AI companions, and 8% flirt with them regularly. AI feels non-judgmental, patient, and offers emotional rehearsal without rejection. Many users feel safer expressing their feelings through bots. So, AI dating coaches are already reshaping Gen Z love lives, in planning, messaging, emotional support, and some users even treat them like partners. But risks are real: emotional dependency, loss of authentic growth, and mental health concerns. Your challenge: use AI as a sidekick, not a substitute. Let it polish your words, not replace your emotional work. If you found this eye-opening, smash that like, subscribe to MindBot Series, and drop a comment. Would you let AI coach your love life? Let's see where the future of love takes us.